Good morning. It is Monday. It is May 18th. And we'll start out with the important news that there is a Zoom meeting at 6 p.m. Benin time. 6s, you're going to be doing some math with Mr. Abel. And 7s, you will be sharing your last poetry that was on either cultural studies, science, or math. Pretty fun. And you got to pick whatever kind of poem you would like to do there. So that's our Zoom meeting. And then today, 6s, you have Reading A to Z, 2 stories, and you have some reader's notebook pages to work on. For math, you're working on halves in fractions. And 7s, you have a final little quiz matching definitions to the words for poetry. It's an open book quiz, which means if you can't answer any of those questions, you can go back to the videos. You can look online to answer any of the questions. So this should be a fun scavenger hunt for you. Some of you might not need to go back and look at anything. It may be all in your head, but a few of you may need to go back and look at some of the older videos. You also have 2 A to Z quizzes to take and some grammar in your reader's notebook. And for math, you have a time test again, and you have a multiplication worksheet to do. So I look forward to seeing you all at 6 p.m. Benin time. Have a great day. Bye.